Morning traders, it's Tuesday and the market is walking a tightrope today. Futures are leaning positive once again, yields are testing nerves, and gold is holding steady at all-time high. Yesterday rewarded patience and structure. Today we've got a new deck, different sectors showing spark, fresh headlines, and 3 setups you can trade from the bell. So let's dig in with our overnight and futures snapshot. So the S&P currently up 0.36% at $6,740. The Nasdaq sitting at $24,978.56, up around almost 1%. And the Dow sitting at 46,694.97 before the open on Tuesday, currently sitting around flat. Asia tech drove gains, but property and financials lagged. Europe, defensive bid intact. Autos and energy is softer. The dollar is pulling back, giving space to commodities. Gold sticky at highs. Demand for hedges persists, and oil is weak again, signaling cyclical drag. So the stage is set and open with room for upside, but fragile footing. We're going to do a quick tape recap. And this news article is driving the news today. So buyers defended semis on dips. AMD energy cracked again, weakest pocket of the tape, and breadth was decent but not strong. Gains concentrated in leadership. Lesson: flow follows conviction sectors. Don't waste bullets elsewhere. Alright, our macro theme today then. Rates: the 10-year rate is the referee. Every tick higher pressures growth. Every dip gives semis a bid. Inflation lens: important prices and services are sticky. Expect any data leak to shift tone quickly. Commodities: oil weakness keeps energy heavy but helps disinflation narrative. Gold strength confirms institutions are hedging. Lastly, positioning: funds are long equities, light cash. That means moves can accelerate, upside squeezes or downside air pockets. So then, talking about sector rotation and flow, tech and semis still the heartbeat. Watch AMD, Qualcomm, Micron for relative strength. Then consumer, Walmart, steady, but also keep eyes on Amazon. Discretionary momentum is flickering back. Financials, yield sensitive, regional banks remain choppy. Healthcare, UNH, J&J rather, biotechs showing quiet accumulation. Energy is weak, only tactical scalps, and breadth. If small caps don't join, expect chop. So then traders, our 3 trade setups going into the open on Tuesday. We've been seeing amazing growth from the Nasdaq. So now let's take a look at our first trade setup going into the open on Tuesday. We're taking a look at AMD, which is our semi-AI engine. The reason for this is benefiting from the AI build-out. Trades with heavy liquidity. AMD is in a good position. So our action: buy strength if AMD clears pre-market high with volume plus SOXX confirms. Alternative: fade early spike if it fails VWAP quickly. Profit: trim on $2 to $3 pops. Hold runner if momentum carries. Our second trade setup going into the open on Tuesday is Amazon, our consumer or growth crossover. Why, do you ask? Well, Amazon straddles retail and cloud. Strong flows when discretionary gets love. So our action: long if Amazon stays firm at open and XLY ETF confirms. Profit: scale into $3 to $5 moves. Let it work if volume supports. And exit: bail if it loses VWAP with sector weakness. So we're keeping it simple for Amazon. Our last trade setup going into the open on Tuesday is our defensive anchor, United Health Group Incorporated, ticker symbol UNH. Why? Well, UNH is a consistent defensive performer. Healthcare sector holding quiet bids. So long if XLV, ETF and UNH both open firm. Alternative, add on a VWAP reclaim after an early dip. Profits, take partials. Trail under higher lows if sector stays green. And to exit, stop if sector rolls over. So our tape Qs going into the open on Tuesday. If VWAP holds or fails, it's true bias. Breadth Tech at 10 a.m. as always. Liquidity magnets, ORH, ORL, and yesterday's extremes. And volume must confirm price. Ignore fake drifts. So, gonna quickly jump in here to take a look at gold while we do the wrap up today. So that is an amazing graph to look at. Gold absolutely all the way at all-time highs at the moment and not going anywhere anytime soon. So traders, Tuesday's tone will be set up by yields and sector rotation. AMD gives us the growth AI play. Amazon is the consumer growth crossover, and UNH is the steady anchor. Respect VWAPs, trade structure, and let the market show where the conviction lies. Please remember to stay patient and let the tape confirm. So stay sharp. Let's hit the bell on Tuesday and have a great day trading. I will see you before the open on Wednesday. All the best. Stay patient and I'll see you then. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I hope you found it helpful and I will see you again tomorrow. All the best. Take care.